welcome back to my channel, and I've got another unpackaging for you. I'm really sorry that this is quite disheveled at the moment. It's gone through a lot just due to some of the packaging that I've had to do recently, but let's get this open. So here it is. This is the trio set of a necklace, earrings, and ring. This is just a little information sheet. So Taurus treasures Trove, and I just got a little note saying thank you so much for doing a product swap. I hope you love our products, and that's just Faith, the owner. So yeah, these are the ones that I got. I actually said that she could pick whichever gems, as they were all really nice. These are the red coral ones. So these are the earrings. I can't wait to try them. I will sanitize those before trying them on though. Here's the ring. I actually sized it for my middle finger, so I'll keep that on, and just the necklace here. So these are the matching set. I think this retails for about £15, and here it is. And then obviously we got a lovely little love heart suite, just as an extra thank you. I will insert some of the photos of me wearing these later on. Hi guys, I've now got the jewellery on. So if you can just see the ring there, the necklace, and the earrings. Super cute, super understated, nothing too wow. Perfect for everyday wear. I would totally wear this in the work. But yeah, here it is. I'm going to insert some photos, like I said earlier, and see how they come out.